Welcome back, guys, to another episode of XanTech. I hope you had a great summer. I know I did. Now today, we've got to get back into it with more videos. So we're going to be starting with these. I've been having a problem with the Lian Li TL LCD 120mm reverse blade fans. Now I got two packs. I got the regular ones, non-LCD, and I got the LCD reverse blade. I mean, both are reverse blade because they're working as intake fans in that system over there. Now you can't see from here, but I'll zoom in a minute. The LCD fans, this is the second pack I got. I sent the other one back to Lian Li because they worked fine for about a week or so, about 10 days. And then the LCD screens, they just stopped working. Now, some of you, when you buy these fans, you're going to have to set them up if you can before you put them in your case, because you can run into problems. They have to be oriented in a specific way, because when you connect them, one of them might be off, two of them might be off, they all might be off. And then rather than plugging them into your computer, seeing that only one's working or two's working or none are working, then you'd have to unscrew your case, take everything out, switch them around and see if they work. I did that and they all worked, and as you can see right now, they are not. So let's take them out, see if we can swap them around and get them working properly. Okay, so here we are. I got the fans out of the case. The case has been taken apart. I've put them up here exactly as they were in the case, and there's a little spot of bother. Now that they're out of the case and set up, they actually do turn on. I'll just power up this power supply. The fans come on, and as you can see, the LCD screens also come on. I'll zoom in for you guys now so that you can see. The two outer fans, it's a bit of a darker image. You can see something coming through. That's because earlier on in the PC, I had a little face image on there, but it was really dark. It was like a spooky one coming out of the darkness. And in the center is yours truly. Now I've swapped them around in different configurations, and it comes on just like this. Doesn't matter if this fan is here or this fan is here, that one is there or there. It works totally fine. So I'm a little bit flabbergasted. I'm guessing then, since they're not turning on in the computer, it must be a software issue with the L Connect 3 software, but it was working fine before. So I'm guessing this video is a little bit of a bust, but yeah, just note that when you are installing it in the system, Lian Li do say, and you can see on their website, and I spoke about this in a previous video, when you do plug them in the first time, one or two or whatever might not come on. So you should test them like this if you can. Make sure they all come on before you put them in your system. You might need to switch this one, put it here, or this one, put it there, and so forth. It's a little bit of a jigsaw. Like I said before, Lian Li should, I don't know if they do, but I'm recommending they test these in the factory, wherever they build them, put them together, test them, and then mark the fans ABC or 1, 2, 3, and that way the customer, when they purchase it for putting into their gaming rig, they won't have issues like I have. So I guess that's it for today, guys. I'm going to put this back in the PC, see if it all works, see if I can get the screens working. If not, I'm going to have to do a little bit more tinkering on the PC side of things. Well, as you can see in the system, they power up. I got the Lian Li logo in the top two, and not sure if you can see the little face on the bottom one there. So they are all working. But if we take a look at the L Connect software, here, the TL LCD, you can see all fans. As soon as I click on the LCD screen settings, then you only see two fans showing up. And I don't know what is going on. Well, that was an exercise in futility. Looks like I'm going to go back to the drawing board, take everything apart and go step by step, see if I can get them working. If not, I guess I'm just going to have to send these back to Lian Li and just go for the regular TL fans without the screen, which is a shame because I do quite like these. But anyway, that's for another time. So until next week, guys, take care.